गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज रिवीजन क्लास ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स में मैं 7 प्रॉब्लम्स को सोल्व करूंगा। फर्स्ट है एक्सपैंड -3a + 5b - 5c का स्क्वायर। सेकेंड फैक्टराइज 16x² + 4y² + 9z² -16xy - 12yz + 24xz। थर्ड है इवेल्युएट स्क्वायर ऑफ 107। फोर्थ है एक्सपैंड क्यूब ऑफ 3a + 1/4b। फिफ्थ है एक्सपैंड 3x - 5/x³। सिक्स्थ है फैक्टराइज a³ - 12a × a - 4 - 64। और सेवेंथ है इवेल्युएट 103 का होल क्यूब। इन 7 प्रॉब्लम्स को बनाने के बाद आप पहले भी इस चैप्टर को बनाए हैं। ये रिवीजन के दरमियान आपको सिखलाया जा रहा है। इन 7 का बेहतर प्रैक्टिस करके आप इनसे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स को बनाएंगे। देखिए, मैं फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ। फर्स्ट है -3a + 5b - 5c²। ये a + b + c² means -3a² 5b² plus -5c² plus 2ab means -3a into 5b, 2bc 5b into -5c plus 2ca -5c into -3a। मैं पहले ही बोला था कि पहले आपको जो भी फॉर्मूला दिया गया है उसको मेमोराइज कर लेना है। ये a + b + c का स्क्वायर पर तोड़ा गया है। a² b² c² 2ab 2bc 2ca। इसमें a की जगह -3a, b की जगह 5b और c की जगह -5c लिया गया है। तो -3 का स्क्वायर 9 होगा, a² 25 b² 25 c²। दिस प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 3 6 5 30 ab प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 5 10 5 50 bc एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस 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 ये 5 2 10 3 30 ca। This is the expanded form of this expression. Now the second problem. In the second problem we have 16x² plus 4y² plus 9z² minus 16xy minus 12yz plus 24xz. At the time of factorizing such expressions, we have to search those two terms which have negative value, and we have to watch which one is common, which variable is common in both of them. Here we find y is common in both, and therefore the term y will be taken as negative. See here how it will be. This will be the square of 4x. This will be the square of -2y because y is common in both of them. This will be the square of 3z and then plus 2 into 4x into -2y. 2ab 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus minus minus xy. In the same way we will proceed 2 into -2y into 3z and plus 2 into 3z into 4x. See here 4 to the 12 to the 24, 3 to the 6 to the 12 plus minus minus. In this way this will be the square of 4x plus -2y plus 3z, and this will give a square of 4x minus 2y plus 3z, and therefore we may write 4x minus 2y plus 3z into 4x minus 2y plus 3z. Because you are factorizing the given expression, and therefore the result should be in factors. That's why I have written the same term twice, because it is a square. Okay? Now we have to solve the next problem, that is evaluate a square of 107. See here. Here we have to find a square of 107. We may write it 100 plus 7 a square. This is of the form a square of a plus b, and therefore it will be a square plus 2 into 100 into 7 plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This will give 1 having 4 zeros, 7 2 is 14, 100 and 7 7 is 49. On adding we will get 1 1 4 4 9. This will be your answer. The fourth problem, we have to expand 3a plus 1 by 4b cube. You have to memorize the cube of a plus b. You already know cube of a plus b. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In the same way, we have to expand it. A cube means 3a cube. B cube means 1 by 4b cube plus 3ab means 3 into 3a into 1 by 4b into 3a plus 1 by 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 a cube, 1 by 64 b cube, 3 3 are 9a by 4b into 3a plus 1 by 4. This will give 27a cube, 1 by 64b cube, 9 3 are 27a square by 4b, 9a by 4 4 are 16b square. Here, this is the expansion of this expression. We have expanded this to get this expression. Okay? Now we have to solve the fifth problem, in which we have to expand 3x minus 5 by x cube. This is 3x minus 5 by x cube. Here we have to use the formula cube of a minus b. You know, this will be a cube means 3x cube, minus b cube means 5 by x cube, minus 3ab means 3 into 3x into 5 by x into a minus b, minus, that is 3x minus 5 by x. This x will be cancelled by this. 3 3 are 9 3 are 27x cube, 125x by x cube, 3 3 are 9, 3 3 are 9 5 are 45, 3 are 113 5x minus minus plus 45 5 are 225 by x. This will be the result. Next, the sixth problem. This is, we have to factorize a cube minus 12a into a minus 4 minus 64. That is, we are given a cube minus 12a, a minus 4 minus 64. Here we are in need of replacement. This is a cube minus 64 minus 12a, a minus 4. Now we may write a cube minus 4 cube, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. Now we will write 3 into a into 4, a minus 4. Now it is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This will give a minus b cube, and therefore we may write a minus 4 thrice. I have written a minus 4, a minus 4, a minus 4 because we have to factorize this expression, and therefore result should be in different factors. Okay? Now we come to the last problem, that is to evaluate 103 cube. See here, seventh problem is 103 cube. We may write 100 plus 3, 100 plus 3, that is 103 cube. It is of the form a plus b cube. Therefore, we will write a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b into a plus b. This will give 1 containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. This will give 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. This will give 3 3 are 900, and this will give 100 plus 3. Now we may write 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 27, 900 into 100. 9 containing 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. And 9 3 are 2700. 27 double 0. On adding, we will get 27, 7, 2, 9, 0, 1. This will be the answer. In this way, after solving these 7 problems, you have to solve the exercises 3D and 3E for your practice. If you are finding any problem in these exercises or from any exercise which we are already taught to you, you may ask in your doubt class. आप 3D और 3E को बनाएंगे. अगर इसमें कोई असुविधा हो तो डाउट क्लास में पूछे, और इसके सिवाय इससे पहले जो भी पढ़ाई हुई है उनसे भी आप क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.